Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best 3D printer for small business. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, Brand Name, Mingda. Model Number, Magician X. LCD display is more colorful, transparent and brighter than traditional TFT screen. Touch control on LCD is more sensitive than knob control. Mingda Magician X brings you the best viewing and operating experience with its 3.5-inch LCD touch control screen, a new smart auto-leveling technology. With a high-sensitivity sensor, only need to click on the button, 16-point precise leveling. Very stable. Fast assembly with one step, easy to use. The dual-lead screw rod of the Z-axis adds a synchronous belt, so the screw rods are turned synchronously and always keep at the same height. The Magician X 3D printer also has many useful functions. Resume printing makes it save filament and time. When the filament is run out or break, the filament detector will automatically alarm and stop printing. Very friendly to use. With a Z-axis dual screw plus Z-axis dual motor design, Magician X works smoother and more synchronously to lower the possibility of lines and ridges on the sides of your print, thus improving the printing quality. Number 4, Brand Name, Filament. Model Number, SuperRacer. The Filament SuperRacer is a fine Delta 3D printer made from quality components. It feels strong, and as if it was built with real care by the manufacturer, with attention paid to the quality of components used and the execution of the UI high-precision linear rail guide, providing higher printing accuracy and stability, and lower noise. Automatic leveling system, easy to start printing. Filament SuperRacer 3D printer has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Coated lattice glass platform. Good filament viscosity, replaceable design. The printer comes in a large, long box and requires some assembly. The SuperRacer features a wee 3.5-inch touchscreen UI, which is attached to the printer via a spiral cable. The elegant all-metal design of the SuperRacer not only gives the 3D printer a high-quality look, but also guarantees clean movements and less vibration. A dual-gear extruder ensures more torque, stronger extrusion, stability and durability. Number 3, Brand Name, Gideok. Model Number, A10M. 2 extruder module and 2-in-1 out hot end, which deliver 4 types of printings, single color, double color, graded color and mixed color, which will greatly enrich your 3D printing experience. The modularized design divided the printer into 6 modules: gantry kit, bottom kit, extruder motors, PSU kit, LCD display kit, filament holder kit. What all you need to do is to tighten screws, connect wires correctly and fine-tune belt tension and adjust heat bed when necessary. The whole process takes about 20 minutes, using Marlin firmware. Stable and easy to operate. It will support auto-leveling function. All what you need to do is to order a third touch or BL touch, connect the sensor with A10M, update the firmware and then simply debug. The filament detection system will alert you to change filament when the printer runs in error or the spool is empty. Number 2, Brand Name, VoxelLab. Model Number, Aquila C2. Aquila 3D printer has the ability to recover from a power failure. It will automatically create a save point when interrupted in the middle of a print, allowing you to resume the print progress as soon as the power returns. No worry about unexpected power off. Aquila C2 could remain former printing when power is on, not starting from scratch. Saving time and energy. The reliable function makes it a great printing solution for beginners as well as veteran makers. With strong adhesion and uniform heating, it can be heated to 70 degrees Celsius within 2 to 3 minutes and keep uniformly optimal temperature levels above the heated bed in order to help prevent print warping. Ensure the model can be firmly adhered to the bed platform, but allows you to remove the model quickly and easily after cooling. Insert the filament into the guide wire tube, activate the auto-feeding function, then it will be automatically sent to the nozzle. The whole process is visualized to ensure 100% automatic feeding, avoiding the failure of filament feeding, improving the printing success rate. Strong adhesion of the plate and excellent bottom layer print effects. Carbon crystal silicon plate ensures fast heating to 60 degrees Celsius in minutes. Strong adhesion and excellent bottom layer print effects. The printing platform can be replaced according to your needs, ensuring that the printing platform will not affect the printing quality. Keep uniformly optimal temperature levels above the heated bed in order to help prevent print warping. The easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled, enabling you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Number 1. Brand name, Anaicubic. Model number, Magix. Magix features a slightly different type of extruder, similar to Titan, meaning that filament is guided through gears first. This change helps feed filament and print more evenly. The structure is very stable, which could reduce the body shake during printing and improve the printing quality. Titan extruder provides precise extrusion for your 3D printing with solid filament drive and overall mechanical design compatible with most filaments, greatly reducing the clogging risk and improving printing accuracy. Magix 3D printer can resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. One click to resume from the last recorded position when suffering power outages. Patented 3D printer printing platform surface coated with patented microporous coating, with excellent adhesion when printing and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp at the end of the print. The print head runs on rods with linear bearings. The printer also features double Z-limit switches, making the device more powerful and accurate. Ultra base covered by microporous coating, shows strong adhesion in printing. Easy to take off models by hand or with a little help from the scrapper for very large models. The printer can be controlled either via a USB tethered computer or the fitted, responsive LCD touchscreen. The icon-based, user-friendly interface lets you comfortably operate the device. Anaicubic Magix is an all-in-one frame 3D printer. The rigid metal frame can minimize the shaking to improve the print quality,